Babylonian numerals. Babylonia was another famous ancient civilization that used their own numerals. They used the symbols shown on screen to represent numbers. Numbers smaller than 100 were written by combining these symbols as in the Egyptian system. Larger numbers instead were written as product of numbers smaller than 100 with a space between the factors, as now shown on screen. That is all for lesson 1.1.2. To continue this topic, please watch 11.1.3, Mayan numerals. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.